Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have ACER M10 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you have the same problem as mine, you try search your game, but you can download it. Go back to the main menu and tap on your photo on the right corner. In it, choose Settings option and there Family and Parental Controls. As you can see, now we have page 3. To visible game or applications Mobile Legends game, we need more than page 3. To change it, tap on it, enter your connect pin to your parental controls, and there we can change it from page 3 to maybe allow all included, underrated, config by Godit, and save. You can also turn off your parental controls by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, bye!